Namaskar दोस्तों. Today is 18th Jan 2021. First step to be a successful trader is to build a trade plan and review it. This channel is my journey in stock market, and in this particular video I review my trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty and disclose my trade plan for Nifty and Bank Nifty for the next trading session. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas for the next trading session. So let's first review our trade. So for today, we entered the market with cautious, knowing that Bank Nifty is looking very weak and at a very crucial point. And idea was still to buy on dip. I was carrying two lot of Nifty 14,500 CE with me, which I exited on the open on this particular red bar. Then, maintaining my view, uh, I shorted actually Nifty on this particular green bar, which was then taken by this green bar. And then I again tried to enter on a PE on this particular red bar, which was taken out on this particular green bar. So overall, I had loss of 4,000 rupees on my Nifty trade. I also exited some of my position on Reliance today, which moved after a very long time above the consolidation. So that's what we have on Nifty. My trade review. What's my learning today was first of all that the position which I carried, I could have exited at a minimum loss in the morning, but I couldn't reach on my desk in at 9:15, and that's where everything went wrong. One good thing which I did today was that I knew that market was a little uncertain, so I reduced on my quantity to get a good feel of the market. And I did not actually made any aggressive trade on today. So today was wait and watch day for me. So now let's see what is in store for us for tomorrow. So if we look into Nifty on daily chart, what we see is that the Nifty has closed below 8-day moving average, about 20, above 50, and about 200-day moving average. From last four trading session, we are seeing bear taking control over the market. Today, Nifty closed above a very strong support of 14,273, which is a monthly resistance as well as a weekly support. So, on daily basis, it is still about 20-day moving average, so we can say that the trend is still intact. But when we look into 15-minute chart, we see that Nifty has closed below 200, below 50, below 8, and below 20-day moving average. So this confirms that Nifty is now entering into bear mode. Uh, One interesting thing which I want to discuss today is the dollar index. So if you see on the dollar index has started climbing up. Whenever the dollar index start climbing up, the our emerging market will start correcting. So if you to make you understand this, let's go back and see 29th October, where for few days dollar index was moving up. So 2nd November, 30 October 2020, and 29th October 2020. And let's review Nifty, what Nifty did during this time period. So if you go to, yes, 30th October red bar, 2nd November red bar, 28th October red bar. So whenever the dollar index moved up, our market collapsed. And as soon as dollar index entered in, started dropping, which was since 3rd November till last week, we have seen a very strong rally in our market. So if you see from here, we had a strong rally, and now again market has started correcting when dollar index is moving up. So dollar index continues to move up. Let's see for how many days it will keep on moving up. Generally, what we have seen is that dollar index doesn't move up very fast, or this pattern is not sustained for a very long time. So one has to keep an eye on how the dollar index is moving up. When we look into SPX also, we see that last two trading session has been red. Let's see today how the SPX open and how it reacts. I'm not expecting a big. Let's see how it works up. But as of now, it is below 8, just above 20, and just above 50-day moving average. On 15-minute chart, if you see, it is below all the important moving average. That is 200, 58, and 20. So S&P 500 is also somewhere in the control of the bear. So Nifty on daily base is looking showing some sign of weakness, but it is still about 20-day moving average and 50 and 200. So the trend is still intact on a daily basis, which is uptrend. On a 15-minute chart, when we look, 15-minute chart, the Nifty closing is below 200, below 50, below 8, below 20, below a very crucial level of 14350, and just close above another strong support of 14275 and 275. So on 15-minute chart, it has entered into bear mode. So my strategy for tomorrow is sell on rise. When we look into our pivot, we have tomorrow pivot at 14321 and the resistance at 14346, which is also, so this area which was earlier strong support will act as a strong resistance. So 14350. So first sell on 14350, look for a price reversal here. If it breaks 14350, then 14411. So 14411, which is also below 200-day weekly magical line and just closer to 50-day moving average. So tomorrow the strategy for Nifty is sell on rise in this zone with the target of 14150. Now for Bank Nifty, what we see is that we had a second red bar and then the third red bar, which is a confirmation for bear. It has closed below 8, above 20, above 50. So on daily basis, Bank Nifty is still in uptrend. On a 15-minute chart, Bank Nifty has closed below 200, below 50, below 20, and below 8. So it is in downtrend. So here also our strategy will be for tomorrow, sell on rise. When we look into our pivot, we have Bank Nifty pivot at 31,954 and resistance at 31,914. So 31,914, which is just below the monthly resistance of 31,965. So somewhere in this zone. So we will say 31,915 and R2 for tomorrow is 32128. So just closer to about 20-day moving average and 8-day moving average and about this resistance, monthly resistance. So this is the sale zone for tomorrow with a target of 31,500, which is magical line, monthly magical line, and 31,275, which is also monthly magical line. If you want to know what are these magical line, then check out my video on trade setup. The link is at the end of this video. So change in the strategy. Now the market on 15-minute chart looking in downtrend. Dollar index is moving up. Keep an eye on that. So tomorrow we will maintain sell on rise. I am little uncomfortable doing short in market. So I may go with the half of the quantity for tomorrow till we see strong indication in where the confirmation is there that bear is taken over. One good thing which happened in the market today is the Reliance, where Reliance actually took a support on 50-minute chart on the 200-day and had a very strong move. If you have seen my video on Hiromoto Corp weekly wrap, as per my plan, Hiromoto Corp took support at 3110 and shown a good intraday rally. So please check out my weekly wrap on Hiromoto Corp and Reliance if you have not done so. And please like, share, and subscribe. It's your like, share, and the subscription button or your response to that which motivates me to come and make these videos. Uh, Thank you very much for your time if you're still with me. And take care of your health. Jai Hind.